G'day folks, Craig Caspery here. Beautiful winter's day, very early in winter as a matter of fact, and lockdown version number 4. So out on this beautiful, look at the blue sky, just magnificent. Beautiful blue sky day, and making the most of being locked down. So out pruning, and it's really time to get anything that's been left go a little bit long. And as I pan round, you'll see this apricot in the background that I had pruned earlier, sort of autumn pruning to encourage what little bit of growth you get after summer into fruitwood. And I'm going to point that out as to what is fruitwood and what is not. So just bear with me while I try and turn this screen around if at all possible. Maybe not. So what I need to do is to point out these small little branches here are what you get your fruit on. So you're really looking at, they're all over the place, you see, and the more you look, the more of them there are. So even a bird's nest made its way in. So this is the sort of stuff that you should be making sure you're keeping plenty of. Now this is an espalier, and I try and keep this fruitwood very close to the framework of the tree where possible. So when you're out and about, all this vertical stuff really needs to come all the way down. So if I step back, you'll have a bit of a look and see that I've got a bit of work to do. I've already started on this end towards the apple. Okay folks, so that's the apricot tree pruned. It's got a little bit of more work at the crown to thin out some of the little dead, diseased and damaged stuff, but and bear in mind that this tree did have leaves still on it. Most important, it'll help slow down gummosis if your trees get it, and apricots are susceptible to it. Yeah, so there you go. Happy days. I've got more trees to prune, mind you. Anyway, all the best. Bye for now.